guys, just a quick video, but if you're wondering how to clean an Apple Watch band, I just used the OxiClean and I put it in a container with water, 2 hours, excuse me, and then I took it out after the 2 hours and I rinsed it, and then I soaked it again in just straight fresh water, and it got all the dirt and stuff like that was on this Apple Watch band out, and now it's just air drying. I've patted it dry with a microfiber cleaning cloth, lint-free ones, that I just have, that you use for your eyeglasses, or that sometimes come with Apple products. So I'm just letting it air dry now, and I'm gonna let it sit overnight to air dry. But that's basically it. That's how at least this is the Sports Loop band, it's the woven one from Apple, and you can't even tell that there was even dirt on it to begin with because it looks so clean now. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments of videos I should do, comment down below my Facebook page, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.